Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Good evening. Let us start today's session. Sixteenth one. Solve
Sir, once show before.
tan square theta is equal to 3. This is the first page. Okay.
On Saturday's last page, sir.
Last page. It is the only 16th question onwards, no doubt. I'll come back later.
Okay, sir.
Now, given tan square theta equals to 3. This 3 we can write tan square theta is equal to root 3 whole square. So which is equal to tan square 60 degrees. Tan 60 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square. So principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 3. Therefore, general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. So n pi plus or minus pi by 3. N belongs to Z. So let us move to the 17th question. Solve 3 cosecant x equals to 4 sin x. Okay. Here given 3 cosecant x equals to 4 sin x. Now let us convert cosecant x in terms of sin x. Cosecant x is equal to 1 upon sin x. This we can write 3 upon sin x
3 by sin x.
equal to 4 sin x. Cross multiplication. 4 sin square x equals to 3. Now sin square x equal to 3 upon 4. This is to be solved. This we can write root 3 by 2 whole square. See, this is equal to sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Here alpha is equal to 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 whole square. So principal solution is, principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 3. General solution is theta is equal to same n pi plus or minus alpha. So n pi plus or minus pi by 3. N belongs to Z. Understood? Clear now both the
Sir,
questions?
once show. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, once show 24th page, sir.
24th page. This is 24th page. One minute.
Sir, once show at once.
I'm not getting, wait. Something problem is there. Leave it now, no problem. Okay. 18th question. Solve cos 3 theta equals to sin 2 theta. Okay. So what is our idea to solve this problem? What's your idea?
Convert.
Very good. Convert sine in terms of cos. So cos 3 theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So we know sine theta is equal to cos 90 degrees minus theta we can write. So in the place of theta we have 2 theta. So this can be written cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now the principal value of 3 theta write down. PV of 3 theta is alpha is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. General solution is 3 theta equals to, okay, what do you write now? 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Here two cases will arise. What are the two cases? Case 1, 3 theta equals to 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Bring minus 2 theta to the left hand side. 3 theta plus 2 theta is 5 theta. 5 theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. Multiply both sides with 1 by 5. So that is 2n pi by 5 plus pi by 10. N belongs to Z. Case 2. Again, now in the place of plus you take minus sign. 3 theta equals to 2n pi minus pi by 2. Minus into minus plus 2 theta. If you bring 2 theta to the left hand side, this becomes theta equals to 2n pi minus pi by 2. N belongs to Z. Hence, theta equals to, what is the answer? You get 2n pi by 5 plus pi by 10, comma, 2n pi minus pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. Understood now this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to
Sir,
next
will you
one?
Yes.
16 that?
Sir, once show 24th page, sir.
24th is not available, I think so.
Sir, one show yesterday's pages.
Not getting, Nana. Not getting, please. Right.
Yesterday's.
Okay. So 19th.
Once show before page, sir.
Right.
Sir, can you show 16th and 17th problem pages? Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Solve 7 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta equals to 4. So this is in the form of a cos square theta plus b sine square theta is equal to c form. Whenever given question is this form, divide both sides by cos square theta and solve it. This is a procedure you need to follow. Okay, let us apply this procedure now. Here given 7 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta equals to 4. Divide both sides by cos square theta. Even it can be solved by converting cos square theta in terms of sine also we can solve it. No problem. That is also another method you can adopt. 7 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta upon cos square theta equal to 4 upon cos square theta. 7 sine square theta by cos square theta is 7 tan
7 tan square theta
right. Plus 3 cos
plus
square theta
3
by cos 3
Plus
is
3
equal to
plus
4
3
6 square
equals
theta.
to 4
plus 4 secant square theta.
secant square theta.
Yeah. So we have secant square theta. Again, we can put in terms of tan. That is 1 plus tan square
1
theta.
by
Am I correct now?
yes sir.
That means now we are going to write in the place of secant square theta 1 plus
4
tan square theta. So 4 times 1 plus tan square theta. This is 4 into 1 4 tan square theta. Bring 4 tan square theta this side, 7 tan square theta
minus 4 tan square theta is equals to minus 3 plus 4.
4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 4
3
minus
tan square theta is equals to 1.
3 tan square theta is equals to 1.
What is tan square theta? 1 upon 3.
1 upon
1
Yes, tan square theta equals to
1 by root
1 by root 3 whole square.
1 by root 3 whole square.
Whose value equal to tan square 30. Am I correct?
Yes sir. Tan square pi by 6.
Yes, yes. What is the principal value? Alpha is equal to pi.
Alpha is equals to 5 by 6.
Pi by 6.
General solution is
Pi by 6 sir.
theta is equal to yes, pi is pi by 6. N pi plus or minus alpha. So n pi plus
n
or
pi plus or minus pi by 6.
pi by 6, n belongs to Z.
Completed.
So, okay, good.
Completed, sir.
So let us move to the next question now. Question number 20. Solve 2 cos square theta minus root 3 sin theta plus 1 equals to 0. So what shall we do regarding this question? Right. Here there is no way, only one way is the cos square theta. We need to put
Converting cos to sin.
1 minus sin
1
square
minus
theta.
sin square theta.
We can write. So solution here given 2 cos square theta
Minus root 3 sin theta plus 1 is equals to 0. 2
right.
2 of 1 minus sin square theta.
2 of 1 minus sin square theta
2 of 1 minus sin square
Minus
theta.
root 3
Minus
sin
root 3 sin
plus
theta
1 is
plus
equal
1
to
is
0.
equals to 0.
right.
2 minus 2 sin square theta minus
2
root 3
minus
sin
2
sin
theta
sin
square
plus
theta
1 is
Minus
equals
2
to
sin
0.
square theta minus root 3 sin theta plus 1 is equals to 0.
2 plus 1 is 3. This is minus 2 sin square theta
minus 2 sin square theta
minus root 3 sin theta plus 3.
minus root 3 sin theta plus 1
2
is
plus 1.
equals to 0.
2 plus 1. 2 plus 1
Plus
is
3
equal
is
to
equals to 0.
multiply both sides with
Divide both
negative 1.
sides by minus
2 sin square theta
2 sin square
plus
theta
3
plus
root 3
3
sin theta
sin
minus
theta
3 is equals to
3
0.
plus 3 is equals to 0.
Now factors we need to write it. What are the factors we need to write here? See, think the factors here. Negative 3 into 2 is equal to negative 6. This negative 6 we can write. What can you write? Okay. 2 root 3 into 3 root 3 right now. What do you get? Sorry. 2 root 3 into root 3. How much do you get? 2 root
6.
3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 2, 6 you will get. But negative you require. So that means minus 6 can be written as 2 root 3 into minus root 3. Can I write like this? You check.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So now the middle term root 3 sin theta can be written as 2 sin square theta plus 2 root 3 sin theta minus root 3 sin theta minus 3 equals to 0. Now from the first two terms, what shall we take out common?
2 sin theta.
theta
2 sin theta
2 sin theta common.
2 sin theta of sin theta plus root 3
Yes.
Plus root 3 minus root 3
into
common
minus
minus
root 3
minus root 3 of sin theta
sin
minus
theta
plus root 3.
sin theta plus root 3 is equals to 0.
Right. Now we get sin theta plus root 3 into 2 sin theta minus root 3 equals to 0.
0.
We get two cases. Sin theta is equal to minus root 3. Sin theta equals to root 3 by 2. Am I correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
sin theta cannot be minus root 3 because root 3 is equal to 1.732 minus 1.732. It is inadmissible. It is inadmissible. It is rejected. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 means we can write sin. This is 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees means sin pi by 3.
Sin pi by 3.
Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 3. Now the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the
Plus
power
or
of
minus
n
pi by 3.
n belongs to z. This is the answer.
completed. Sir.
Completed.
21st solution. Find all values. Find all values of x does not equal to 0 in minus pi comma pi satisfying the equation satisfying the equation 8 to the power of 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus so on infinity. This is infinity series equal to 4 cube. Equal to 4 cube. So now this we need to solve it now. See, find all values. X should not be equal to 0, but lies in interval minus 5 comma 5, satisfying this equation. So now here given 8 to the power of 1 plus cos x plus cos square x so on infinity equals to this 4 cube. So my dear students, remember this 4 can be written 2 square, whereas 8 can be written 2 cube. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So this we can write 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 power 3 times 1 plus cos x
Plus cos
square
square
x
x.
plus so on infinity equal to, this is 2 cube whole cube, that is 2 power 9.
2 square.
So you see 4 cube is equal to 2 square whole square, 2 power 4. So this becomes 2 power 4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sorry. 2 power 6. 2 power 6. You check it. 4 cube is equal to 64. 2 power 6 is 64. Now bases are equal. Bases are equal. So bases are equal means,
Power should be added.
yes, power should
Added.
be equal. Power should be equal.
Power should be taken.
Equated. Same. This must be equal to 6.
Power should be added.
Not added. If, for example, see, a power x
Should
is
be
equal to a
equal.
power y. Bases are equal. X is equal to y, we can write. Exponents are equal. What is the exponent? This is the exponent of the left hand side. 6 is the exponent of the right side. Both are equal.
Right hand.
Right hand side. So that means when bases are equal, exponents are equated.
Power should be equated.
Yes, power should be equated. So that means we are going to get 3 times 1 plus cos
3
x.
of 1 plus cos x plus cos square x on infinity is equals to 6.
So on
So on infinity is equal to 6. So 1 plus cos x
1 plus cos x plus cos square x so on
Cos
infinity is
square
equals
x
to
plus
so
is
on
equals
alpha is
to
equal to 6.
6 by 3.
2.
by 3.
2, sir.
2. Now let us focus on the left hand side. Left hand side is a series. This series is known as 1 into cos x cos x. It follows a pattern. 1 into cos x cos x cos x into cos x cos square x. That means if you multiply some constant term to the preceding term to get the next term, that series is said to be geometric progression. This is the geometric progression. So in geometric progression, this is nothing but sum to infinity of geometric progression we need to find out. Sum to infinity of geometric progression. This we need to find out. To find out left hand side summation. So here, first term is 1. In geometry progression, we have common ratio. Is second term by first term. That is cos x by 1 cos x. So sum to infinity in geometric progression is a upon 1 minus r. So that implies 1 upon 1 minus cos x left hand side equal to 2. Cross multiplication. 1 equals to 2 minus 2 cos x. So transpose 2 minus 2 cos x to the left hand side, 1 to the right hand side. 2 cos x
2 cos x
equals
equals to 1.
1. Cos x equals to 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
This we can write cos 60 degrees. Am I correct?
Pi by
Yes,
6.
sir. Pi by 3.
Principal value is
Pi by 3.
pi by 3. General solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, pi by 3. N belongs to z. But our solution must be confined to only minus pi comma pi. Am I correct or not? So that means
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
put n is equal to 0 first. What is
0.
it? plus or minus pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
Plus or minus pi by 3. If you put
N is
n is
equals to
equal to 1, so we get x is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 3, 2 pi minus pi by 3, plus or minus we have. So this is 7 pi by 3. 7 pi by 3, this is equal to 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 means this is actually, this angle is 5 by 3 is 60 degrees, 420 degrees. This will be 60 into 5, 300 degrees. But actually the angle must lie in between minus pi comma pi. It exceeds, both are excluded, only this value included. So therefore required answer x is equal to negative pi by 3 comma pi by 3. This is the answer. So there are only two solutions in between minus pi comma pi. Because here I done brackets, x belongs to minus pi comma pi. This is minus 180 degrees comma 180 degrees. Restricted. Because this is 420 above 180, 300 above 180. Even if you substitute n is equal to 1, we are not getting. N is equal to 0 only, our required solution we have. That is minus pi by 3 comma pi by 3. Clear its problem?
yes, sir.
Right. So what's our question number 21st?
22nd.
Yes, 22nd.
22nd question.
Right. Solve tan theta plus 3 cot theta equal to 5 sec theta. Okay. So would you like to share any idea? So let us change in terms of sin and cos. Let us see
Yes.
what will happen. Okay.
Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta 3 cos
3
theta by
cos
sin
theta by
theta
sin
is
theta is
equal
equal
to
to 5 by
cos theta.
Right. Given tan theta plus 3 cot theta is equal to 5 sec theta. So absolutely correct what you said. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Plus this is 3 cos theta by sin theta equals
is
to 5
equals to
upon
5
cos.
by cos.
LCM is cos theta multiplied by sin theta. Okay, now sin square theta. Sin theta cancel, cos theta into 3 cos theta. 3 cos square theta equal to 5 upon cos theta. Here cos theta will cancel out. But here you must remember cos theta does not equal to 0. This condition should be followed. So what is the remaining value we have? Sin square
Sin square
theta
theta plus
plus
3
3
cos
cos
square
theta
theta by sin
Square
theta is
theta
equal
plus
to
3 cos square theta by sin theta.
is equal to 5. Now how could you solve? Divide both sides by cos square
say
theta.
by sin theta
Sir,
also.
by sin theta, sir.
Even sin square
Sin
theta
square
also you can change cos square theta. Cos square theta is sin also.
Sir,
So,
sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta by sin theta, sir. Sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta by sin theta is equals to 5, sir.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Right. Sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta upon sin theta equals to 5. Sorry, sin theta equals to 5. Cross multiplication. Sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 5 sine theta. There is no way, only one way.
Change cos square theta to sin
Cos square theta we need to change in terms of sine. That means cos square theta is equal to
1 minus sin square theta.
yes,
1
yes,
minus sine square theta.
yes. Only one way we have. So let us proceed for the solution. Sine square theta plus 3 times of 1 minus sine square theta equals to 5 sine theta. Right? Sine square theta plus 3 minus 3 sine square theta
Minus is equals to
equal
5
5
sine
sine
theta.
theta. Minus 2 sine square theta minus 5 sine theta plus
Multiply
3
with
equals to
minus.
0. Multiply negative 1 on both sides. We get 2 sine square theta minus 5 sine theta negative 3 equal
Plus
to
5 sir.
yes, no. Plus
Plus
5 sine theta minus 3 equal to 0. So this can be written like this. 2 sine square theta.
Quadratic form.
Yes. Quadratic form in sine theta. 6 sine theta minus sine theta minus 3
minus
equals to 0. Because minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Plus 6 into minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5 only. So 2 sine theta common. We have sine theta plus 3.
Sin theta plus 3.
Minus 1 common. Sine theta
Minus
plus
1 of sin theta plus
sine
3.
theta minus 3.
3. Both are minus. So minus taken common. Sine
Two.
theta plus 3. Now what do you get? Sine theta
Sin
plus
theta
3.
plus
2
3
sine
of
theta minus
sin
sine theta plus
minus
3
1.
into 2 sine theta minus 1.
Right.
Sine theta is equals to minus 1. Sine theta is equals to minus 3 by 2.
Sine theta
Sin
is
theta
equal
is
to
equal to
minus 3.
minus
Sine
3.
theta
Sin
is
theta
equal
is
to 1
equal
by
to
2.
1 by
Is
2.
equal to 1.
Sine theta cannot be minus 3. It is rejected. It is inadmissible. Right. Because sine theta lies in between minus 1 comma 1. Understood? Sine theta
Yes,
belongs
sir.
to this interval. So sine theta is
Minus
equal
1
to
comma 1.
1 by 2. What do you write now here? Sine 30 degrees. 5 by 6.
5 by 6, sir.
Yes, principal value is alpha
5
is
by
equal
6.
to 5 by 6. General solution. General solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n. Alpha. Alpha stands for 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
N belongs to Z. This is the answer. Okay, check your solutions once again.
Completed.
Completed sir.
Solve 1 plus sine square theta equals to 3 sine theta cos theta. Okay, my dear students, remember, I'll give some important concepts here I would like to discuss. If the equation is like this, even a cos square theta plus b sine theta cos theta plus c sine square theta equal to something d. Whenever this form, divide both sides by cos square theta, then solve it. then solve it. This is the procedure. So this is seem to be rather in this form itself only, because one, you may get one doubt, sir. One is there. How could you write? One is nothing but sine square theta plus cos square theta only. So that means 2 sine square theta minus 3 sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0. That will be in this form. Divide by cos square theta on both sides. So directly divide both sides by cos square theta, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, could you help me regarding this question now?
Sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal.
Okay, carry on.
1 plus sine.
1 plus sine square theta is equals to 3 sine theta cos theta.
Right. Absolutely correct. Right. Divide both sides by.
Cos square theta.
Divide both
Cos
sides
square
by
theta.
1 cos
cos square theta. So provided cos theta does not equal to 0. You remember, whenever any solution which satisfies cos theta does not equal to 0, that solution need to be deleted. For example, if you get theta is equal to pi by 2, you need to delete that solution. So what do you get? 1 upon cos square theta
plus sine square theta by
Plus
cos
sine square
square
theta is
Plus sine square theta by cos square theta
cos
is
square
equal
theta.
to 3 sine theta
equal
cos
to
theta by
3 sine theta cos
sin
theta.
theta cos theta. Sec
by
square
cos square theta.
theta plus tan square theta is equals to
Secant square theta plus tan
Plus
square
tan square.
equals to cos theta. Here cos theta cancel. Sin by cos is tan.
3 sine.
3
It had-
sine theta.
So one thing remember, it had better to change secant square theta. So that means secant square theta in terms of tan. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta.
1 plus tan square theta.
Okay, let us substitute. What do you get? 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta minus 3 tan theta equals to 0. This is 2 tan square theta
2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus
It is a quadratic equation in tan theta. We need to solve it now. 2 into 1, 2. Now the factors of 2 we can write minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. If you add minus 2 to plus minus 1, you get minus 3. So that means 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1 equals to 0. Go back. Correct. This I've written as minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta. Let us take 2 tan theta common. We have tan theta plus 1. Minus 1 common, tan theta plus minus, sorry, 1 minute.
Minus 1 sir.
Minus 1
Tan theta minus 1.
equals to 0.
2 tan theta minus 1 into tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0.
Yes, yes.
Tan theta minus 1 into 2
2
tan
tan theta minus
Into 2 tan theta minus 1 equals to 0.
0.
We get
tan
equal.
theta is equals to
Tan
1,
theta
tan
is equals to 1 by 2,
1.
tan theta equals to 1.
Tan theta is equal to 1 upon 2.
1 by
1 by 2.
Yes. Now case 1. If tan theta is equal to 1, this we can write tan theta equals to tan 45 degrees.